Bitcoin and crypto prices have rocketed higher this year, making the combined crypto market worth $4 trillion as the floodgates start to open. The Bitcoin price topped $124,000 per Bitcoin last month as the US dollar teeters on the verge of a crisis. Now, as bullish traders predict the Bitcoin price could soar to $2 million. A top Russian economic advisor has said that the US wants to use crypto to erase massive debt at the world's expense and reset the financial system in its favor. Here is the video.
Right now, America is trying to change the rules in the gold and cryptocurrency markets. Remember how much debt they have, $35 trillion. Essentially, these are two alternative segments to the global currency market. Washington's actions in this direction clearly demonstrate one of America's main objectives. They are very eager to solve the problem of declining trust in the dollar. The US, just as it did in the 1930s and 1970s, will solve its financial problems at the expense of the entire world, driving everyone where? Into the cryptocurrency cloud. Over time, when part of the US national debt is placed in stablecoins, the US will devalue that debt. Once again, in simple terms, right now they have a $35 trillion currency debt. They move it into crypto, into the cloud, devalue it, and start from scratch. This is for those who really love dealing with crypto.
These two sectors, crypto and gold, are essentially alternatives to the traditional global currency system. Last year, during the election campaign, Trump floated the possibility of using Bitcoin to pay off the US $35 trillion debt pile, telling Fox Business that maybe we'll pay off our $35 trillion, hand him a little crypto check. Right? With Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent saying in July that stablecoins will buttress the dollar's status as the global reserve currency, expand access to the dollar economy for billions across the globe, and lead to a surge in demand for US Treasuries. The U.S. debt pile has ballooned to $37 trillion this year as huge COVID-era spending and higher interest rates contribute to what some fear could become a crisis for the U.S. dollar. The soaring gold price that surged alongside the U.S. debt has sparked speculation. The U.S. Federal Reserve could revalue its $750 billion gold reserves that are officially valued at just $11 billion, with a Fed paper outlining how it could do so last month. As in the 1930s and the 1970s, the U.S. plans to solve its financial problems at the world's expense this time by pushing everyone into the crypto cloud, Kovyakov said. Over time, once part of the U.S. national debt is placed into stablecoins, Washington will devalue that debt. Russia, along with other major powers including China and Iran, is looking to develop a financial system that breaks its reliance on the dollar-dominated system, with Russia-based companies using Bitcoin to evade Western sanctions. Washington's actions in this area clearly highlight one of its main goals: to urgently address the declining trust in the dollar